In today's video, I will walk you through how to create forms on Salesforce. To begin, access your Salesforce dashboard and move to the Quick Settings area located near the top right side of the screen. Once you are inside the Settings menu, continue by selecting the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to the Setup section where you can manage different Salesforce tools and configurations. After the Setup page finishes loading, move to the Quick Find search bar inside the Setup menu. In the search field, type Web to Lead. As the matching results appear, locate the option labeled Web to Lead and select it to continue to the form creation section. Once the Web to Lead page opens, you will be able to begin creating the form. Continue by selecting the Web to Lead form option shown on the page. After opening the Form Setup area, move down to the Return URL field. In this section, enter the return URL you want Salesforce to use after the form is submitted. In this example, the return URL is entered as form.com. Next, continue to the Available Fields section. This area allows you to choose which fields will appear inside the form. On the left side, Salesforce displays the available fields that can be added to the form. Select the field you want to include and continue by moving it into the Selected Fields section. In this example, the mobile field is selected from the available fields list. After selecting the field, continue by choosing the Add option so the mobile field appears inside the Selected Fields area. You can continue using the same process for any other fields shown during the setup. After selecting the fields, continue scrolling through the page until you reach the section related to the API key and reCAPTCHA settings. If your site is connected to Google, and you already have an API key pair from your Google registration setup, enter the API key information into the fields provided on the page. If you do not have an API key available, continue by selecting the option to exclude reCAPTCHA in HTML. Once that setting has been adjusted, move down and select Generate. Salesforce will then generate the HTML code for the form. After the code appears on the screen, copy the generated HTML and place it into your website where you want the form to appear. Once the HTML has been added to the website, the form creation process is complete. The Web to Lead form generated through Salesforce will now be ready for use with the selected fields and settings applied. Thank you for watching.